Okay, class, now we are going to pass to the other part of the lesson. Okay, we are going to learn about these 3 questions, okay? The first question, I'm going to read you, and then you are going to repeat, okay? And then we are going to learn about them, okay? I'm going to explain you, so don't worry, okay? So, the first one is, where do you live? Okay, repeat, 1, 2, 3. Where do you live? Okay, now after me. Where do you live? Now this part. Where do you live? Great. Now this part. Where do you live? Live. Great. Now this part. Where do you live? Great. Good job. Now I'm going to explain you. Where do you live? Where? Where? Do you understand? Where do you live? Where? Okay? So, where do you live? Where is your house? Where do you live? Good job. Okay, now, the other is, do you like living there? Do you like it? Okay, now you're going to repeat after me. Do you like living there? Great. Now, only this part. Do you like living there? Like. Do you like living there? Great. Now this part. Do you like living there? Great. Now this part. Do you like living there? Great. Now you? Great. 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 Good job. So the last one is, why do you like living there? Why? Why? Okay, why? Why do you like living there? You're going to repeat now. Why do you like living there? Great, now this part. Why do you like living there? Great. Why do you like living there? Great. Why do you like living there? You? Great. 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 Good job. Now, we are going to answer the first one in my case, okay? Where do you live? Now, you're going to ask me. Say it. 1, 2, 3. Great. In my case, but I live on 158 Sara Garcia Street. Okay, this is very important. I'm sorry, I forgot the I live on 158 Sara Garcia Street. This is very important, guys. Don't forget it. I live on. Now, you're going to repeat my address. You are going to repeat after me. I live on. Good job. 158 Sara Garcia Street. Great. Okay, this is very important. Also, you have to say it at the final. Street at the final, okay? Good job. Now, the number 2. Do you like living there? You're going to ask me, okay? 1, 2, 3. Great. Okay, now, I'm going to answer. In my case, yes, I like. Okay, in this part, like, it's about that I'm happy with that. Okay, I like it. For example, I like this marker. I like it. Okay, this is just a review because we learned that in the last class. I don't like this marker. I don't like. I don't like. I like. I like. Now, do you like living there? Yes, I like living there. Okay, so the last one is, why do you like living there? Why? You're going to ask me 1, 2, 3. Again? 1, 2, 3. Great. Okay. We are going to write the number 3. I like because it is quiet. Okay? That is one word of the vocabulary that we learned in the beginning of the class. Okay? I like it. I like because it is quiet. Okay? It is quiet. Do you remember? Great. With a gesture. You're going to repeat after me and you're going to make this, okay? The gesture. I like because it is quiet. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now this part. 1, 2, 3. Great. Now this part. 1, 2, 3. Great. Good job. Now this part. Great. Good job. Now, in this you can write a lot of things. Okay? This is just an example. Why? Because there are persons that say, no, I don't like. And in the number 3, I like because it is quiet. It could be, I don't like because it is. What is the opposite of this? The other part, quiet, and the other, noisy. Good job. We are going to make the gesture. Noisy. This part, 1, 2, 3. Noisy. This part, noisy. Good job. So it could be, it is noisy. Okay. Now, we are going to make it together now with your answers, okay? Don't forget it. You can see, you can say, no, I don't like where I live. I don't like it, okay? And you are going to say the reason of that, okay? So, I'm going to erase this. Good job. Now it is your turn.